Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English online effectively. First, define what you want to achieve, whether it's conversational fluency or passing an exam. Next, select high-quality online tools and courses that match your learning style. Finally, establish a regular study routine. Consistency is key to making real progress. To maximize your online learning, engage with other learners and instructors in virtual communities. Seek out opportunities to converse with native English speakers to build confidence. Also, surround yourself with English content. Watch films, listen to podcasts, and read books to absorb the language naturally. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener for a fresh ride. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. There are many excellent tools to aid your online English study. Language apps can help you master new words and phrases quickly. Online dictionaries and grammar tools are invaluable for refining your writing and understanding complex rules. Joining a virtual conversation club offers a fantastic way to practice speaking in a supportive environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.